What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is going to be a Sanrio tutorial on how I did these. These are the colors that I'm using for the whole set, and do the French tip for all of them. This one is going to be the Kuromi one. Next up, I'm going to be doing the Badtz-Maru, and I'm doing them in the color order, just so it makes sense to use that one color and then go on to the next one. Here I am going to be making the My Melody and her little ears at the top, and then going in and making her little face. Coming in next, I have Lala, and I really don't have much to work with, so I'm gonna be doing a little star and her face for this nail. Up next, I'm going to be making Lala's twin Kiki, and I'm going to do his little face and then his little sprout at the top of his hair. Up next, I'm going to be making Cinnamoroll, and this is actually my second time. I went in and did face once, and then I wiped it off and restarted. That just goes to show that you can always wipe it off and do it again if you don't think it's right the first time. Here I'm going to be making a little Pochacco, the little cute dog, and I do draw his ears at the top of the nail where the French is, and then go in and draw his cute little face. Next we have Hello Kitty, and I'm gonna start off. I did mess her whiskers up like a couple times, and it took me a good minute to get them correct, but we got there in the end. And I'm going in and drawing her whiskers, her face, and her little bow. This time I'm going to be making Pom Pom Purin, and he is going to be actually not this color yellow. I go in with a different lighter yellow because I don't like how dark this one is. And I'm going to make his little hat, and then his face and ears. Next up is Keroppi, and he is going to be a light green, and I go and draw his little mouth and his little pink cheeks and his big white eyeballs. Here is the final look at the Sanrio nails, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!